Hello class 9th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 9th B, that is economic importance of fungi. Now chapter name is economic importance of bacteria and fungi. Okay, in previous video we studied about the structure of yeast cell and where it occurs. Now today I am going to start with yeast nutrition. Okay, type of nutrition occur in yeast in class 9. Okay, as you know, it's a fungi, तो type of nutrition is always saprophytic. ठीक है, fungi में कैसा होता है, saprophytic type of nutrition occur. Yeast cell can directly absorb simple sugar, but the cane sugar or sucrose has to be first broken into simple sugar by one of the enzymes before absorption into the cell. Understand it? Yeast cell can directly absorb simple sugar, but the cane sugar or sucrose has to be first broken into simple sugar by one of the enzymes before absorption of the cell. Now next one, that is respiration. Okay, now yeast respire anaerobically in the absence of air without using oxygen, means without oxygen. Okay, see like this is glucose and converted into ethanol, C2H5OA, that is ethanol, and release CO2 and in the form of energy. Energy is only released into 2 ATP क्योंकि इनकम्प्लीट ब्रेकडाउन होता है ग्लूकोज का, सो एनर्जी भी हमारी क्या रिलीज होती है, लेस. और इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, विदाउट ऑक्सीजन, दिस इज ग्लूकोज, this is ethanol, and this is carbon dioxide, and this is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Now economic importance of yeast. This is simple. Now this one is important. Economic importance of yeast. yeast को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं, बेकरीज में यूज होता है बेसिकली, एंड अल्कोहलिक फर्मेंटेशन में यूज होता है. इकोनॉमिक importance of yeast. Economic importance of yeast. Okay, now for yeast, greatest importance to mankind through its property of alcoholic fermentation. यानी कि ग्लूकोज को ब्रेक डाउन करके क्या बनाता है, हमेशा अल्कोहल बनाता है. तो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड अल्कोहलिक fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation means breakdown of glucose in the absence of oxygen and forms alcohol. This is called alcoholic fermentation. यानी कि ग्लूकोज को ब्रेक डाउन करेगा एंड प्रोडक्ट क्या बनाएगा, ethanol, that is alcohol, but without oxygen. This process is called alcoholic fermentation. The alcohol produced is of great commercial importance when produced for beverages. The quality of alcohol varies with the material fermented, बट ऑल्सो विद द काइंड ऑफ ईस्ट एम्प्लॉयड. ठीक है, जैसा हम ईस्ट यूज़ करेंगे, जैसा मटेरियल यूज़ करेंगे, वैसा बेवरेजेस प्रिपेयर कर हो सकता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, यूजफुल एंड हार्मफुल फंजाई. सम आर यूजफुल एंड सम आर डिजीज कॉजिंग ऑल्सो. यूजफुल एंड हार्मफुल fungi. Useful and harmful fungi. First one, that is useful fungi. Useful fungi. Okay. Now several species of penicillium, as you know, penicillium से हम क्या बनाते हैं, penicillium से हम क्या बनाते हैं, एंटीबायोटिक बनाते हैं. Are used in processing of the fine flavored cheese also. Penicillium notatum, as you know, is the most notable as the source of first wonder drug. Okay, penicillium notatum से हम क्या बना रहे हैं, first wonder drug antibiotic, that is penicillin. Penicillin. Okay, penicillin बनाते हैं from the penicillium. It is an antibiotic. Antibiotic. It is a antibiotic and discovered by Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. Okay, discovered by Alexander Fleming. Penicillium is a fungi, उससे हमने एक वंडर ड्रग बनाया, that is antibiotic penicillin. वर्ल्ड वाइड यूज होता है, discovered by Alexander Fleming. Now second one, harmful fungi. B1, harmful fungi. Harmful fungi is most fungi are harmful. They spoil food, may cause damage to forestry. Penicillium and Aspergillus are two common molds popularly called as blue and green mold respectively. They grow on oranges, lemons and other citrus fruits. These are some fungi that cause diseases such as ringworm. Ringworm is very common. Okay, next time you happen to see a greenish fungus growing on the outer skin of overripe rotten orange or lemon. ओके देखा होगा आपने, ऑरेंज जब गलने लगता है तो ग्रीन कलर का, जैसे सपोज दिस इज ऑरेंज ना, तो यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर का पैच जैसा फॉर्म होता है. दिस इज आउटर स्किन ऑफ द ओवर राइपिंग ऑरेंज और लेमन. बट श्योर इट इज सम स्पीशीज ऑफ पेंसिलियम, बट सर्टेनली डू नॉट बी अंडर द impression that it can be used as penicillin. It is a other species. Okay. Now useful role of fungi, that is antibiotic. Okay, first we take this one, useful role, that is, you know it, penicillium, antibiotic. Antibiotic, what is antibiotic? Antibiotic is a chemical substance, produced by living organism, microorganism which can stop the growth of, living microorganism which can stop the growth of other microorganism, stop the growth of or kill the other microorganism. Okay. What is antibiotic? Antibiotic is a chemical substance produced by a living microorganism which can stop the growth or kill the other microorganism. In simple, it is a chemical substance जो हम किसी भी living organism से produce करते हैं, and वो chemical क्या करता है, किसी दूसरे microorganism को kill करता है या उसकी growth को stop करता है. Okay, criteria for good antibiotic. वो हम कैसे कहेंगे this antibiotic is very good? How you categorize? Okay. Criteria for a good antibiotic. Criteria for good antibiotic. First one, it should able to kill a variety of disease. Able to kill a variety of disease producing microorganism. Okay, means it is called broad spectrum. Second, it should not produce undesirable side effects. Not produce undesirable side effects, and it should not kill normal bacteria. Not kill normal bacteria. Okay, now first criteria for a good antibiotic, it should be able to kill a variety of disease producing microorganisms, that is called a broad spectrum antibiotic. ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम और नैरो स्पेक्ट्रम 2 टाइप की होती हैं। ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम क्या होती है, जो बहुत सारे डिजीज प्रोड्यूसिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को किल करती हैं, दैट इज ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम, एंड विच वन kills only particular type of microorganism, that is called the narrow spectrum. Now second one, it should not produce undesirable side effects. का side effects नहीं होने चाहिए, other it is unhealthy for the mankind. Now third one, it should not kill normal bacteria of the host. Okay, not kill the normal bacteria of the, suppose हमारी बॉडी में अदर बैक्टीरिया है which are बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस, अब हम ये एंटीबायोटिक खा रहे हैं, वो उसको किल कर रहे हैं, तो ये क्राइटेरिया में हमने रखा है, इट शुड नॉट kill the normal bacteria of the host body. Okay, now second next point, that is other uses of antibiotic. Okay, other uses of antibiotic. एक तो एंटीबायोटिक को हम डिजीज किलिंग के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, अदर यूजेस क्या है, अदर uses of antibiotic. Okay, now a food as a food preservative. Preservatives, especially for fresh meat and fish. And the second one, that is treating animal feed. Next one, for controlling plant pathogen. Controlling plant pathogen. Okay, for controlling plant pathogens. Understand it. Other uses of antibiotics as a food preservatives, especially for fresh meat and fish, and the second for treating animal feed, and third one for controlling plant pathogens. Understand it. Now next, that is fungi role in industry. In next video we will discuss it.